3 plus 3 times squats times 3 pieces of cheesecake equals booty gains. You science. All right, so if you guessed what movie that scene was from, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your workout routine. All right, so if you're a beginner or someone looking for some type of guidance towards your fitness plan, then you're gonna wanna listen up to these 8 steps. All right, here you go. First one, what is your goal, right? You have to know what your goal is when going to the gym. What is it that you want, right? Make sure to write these things down. Know it, all right? Do I want to lose weight? Do I want to maintain my weight? Do I want to build size, right? Do I want a bigger chest, bigger butt? You have to know these things so you can know how to set up your workout routine, all right? So what is your goal? Remember that. Write that down. Number 2, how many days can you commit to the gym? Now this one's really important, all right? Doesn't matter if you can commit to 1 day or 7 days a week. All right, I know all of us, first thing we say, I'm going every day, 5 a.m. I'm gonna go 5 days a week. Slow it down, all right? First, be honest with yourself. Be realistic. Find something sustainable, something that you can commit to, that you are gonna be consistent with, because that's what's gonna give you the results. Not the saying of, I'm going 5 times a week, and then next week it turns into 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then I fell off, and then I wasn't consistent at all. I'd rather you go slow and steady, focus on 3 times a week consistently and work your way up than start off strong and work your way down, all right? Actions speak louder than words, all right? So make sure you find something that fits your lifestyle and your schedule first before anything. All right, so on to number 3. What exercises should you do? Well, there isn't no specific exercise that you should do for specific results, right? Whether you want to lose weight or gain weight, all exercises matter. It doesn't really matter what you do, right? Obviously, going to come down to the way you eat as well. But when it comes to what exercises, my biggest suggestion is focusing on the big 6, right? And I'll post a little card up here on my previous video on the top 6 key lifts, right? And these are exercises that are compound key lifts, right? Exercises that work more muscle groups at the same time. That way we burn a lot more calories instead of just working isolation exercises, which I've said in my previous videos. There's nothing wrong with isolation exercises. I actually start my workouts with compound exercises and finish with isolation exercises, more as touch-ups towards things that I feel like are imbalanced or I just want more size from, all right? But also knowing your goal is gonna determine what exercises should you do. If your goal is to have a bigger chest, then we're gonna wanna focus on chest press, incline bench press, dumbbell bench press, right? All type of chest exercises, flies, right? If you want bigger shoulders, then we want lateral raises, shoulder press. That's also gonna come down to your goals. So know what you want first before actually moving on. All right, number 4, how many reps and sets? Well, when it comes to just starting to work out, or even if you've been working out consistently, you don't have to do more than 2 to 4, maybe even 5 sets to be extreme, all right? When it comes to reps, you wanna focus on all type of rep range, right? Again, knowing your goal. If you're looking for strength, then you're gonna wanna focus on the lower end on the rep range, meaning like 1 to 3 or 3 to 5, right? That's gonna be more heavy lifting compared to more hypertrophy where you can focus on 6 to 10, 10 to 12, all right? More muscular endurance, 12 to 15, 15 to 20 plus, right? So again, kind of knowing what your goals are, but if you want overall balance, then you're gonna wanna focus on all rep ranges from 1 to 20, okay?
Hey,
What's
sweat
up?
check. Or sweat, hey, sweat
Yeah,
check.
sweat check.
Tell
That's
us about
good.
your sweat check.
It's hot in here. Well, sweat check, right, real quick. I post on my Instagram daily, right? I tag 3 people, anyone from my following. And basically what it is wherever you are, send me a picture, a boomerang, a video, something showing me that you're getting some type of fitness, outside activity, right? Showing that you're sweating. This can be technically a sweat check, right? The whole point is showing me that you're doing something, burning some calories, all right? All right, so on to the next one. How long should you rest? Well, again, if you're looking for heavy lifting, meaning 3 to 5 reps, you're gonna wanna rest a lot more. Why? Because this is gonna take a lot of your energy and strength from you, so you wanna make sure that you're recovering enough to then go back at it again, right? If you're lifting 200 pounds of a bench press for 5 reps and that is extremely hard for you, then trust me, 3 to 5 reps may feel like you're not getting the results you want, but if that is your true 3 to 5 reps, then you're gonna sit there and you're gonna rest and you're gonna need it before doing the next set. If you rest 60 seconds and you go back at it again, then I promise you, you'll probably get 1 or 2 at most. all right? If you're looking for the medium range, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, then you'll fall into the 2 to 3 minutes of rest in between. And if you're looking for the higher end, right, more the hypertrophy, the 8 to 12, then you're gonna wanna stick to like a minute or so, all right? And if maybe even higher, more muscular endurance, 15, 20, 25, 30, right? Right when you really feel that nasty stress and burning your muscles, then kind of rest as needed so you can go at it again, all right? Because it does really take a lot to recover from something like that, all right? But typically, just rest as needed, and make sure if you're resting, it's because you're resting from your exercise, not because you're, oh yeah, it went great, yep, and you're just walking around, conversation left and right, because that's why most of you spend so much time in the gym, when really 30 to 45 to an hour is what you should be spending. And if you're spending more, it's because I guarantee most of that time is wandering around, looking around, damn, right? So on to the next one. How much weight should you lift, right? This is very, very important, especially when it comes to safety. Don't look at anyone else but yourself, right? Don't compare yourself to anyone else. If he is lifting 45 pounds and you can't lift 45 pounds, then don't even bother lifting 45 pounds. Trust me. Be the person that starts off lifting 25 pounds and work your way up to lifting 100 pounds. Trust me, no one cares, all right? So don't focus about anyone else but yourself. Leave your ego at the door. And if you have to lift 6 to 8 reps, pick a weight that will lead you to 6 to 8 reps. If you pick the weight that leads you to 3 to 4, then clearly that was too heavy. If you picked the weight that led you to 10 to 12, or you did 6 to 8 and you could have said, I could have done 5 more, then clearly that wasn't heavy enough. Find something that fits in that rep range for you and no one else, all right? How many days should you go to the gym, right? Again, that goes with number 2. Consistency. Pick something that you can commit to. You don't have to go to the gym 7 days a week to get results. You don't have to go to the gym 6 days a week to get results. It's whatever is sustainable for you. Make sure that the days that you're not working out, you're focusing on other things that are also important, like your sleep, like your nutrition, okay? If you don't dial in that nutrition, then all this, right, kind of come to a waste if we don't really focus on that. If you're looking for fat loss, you're gonna have to dial in your nutrition. If you're looking to gain some weight, you're gonna have to dial in your nutrition. Okay, think of working out as your supplement to your results with the big picture of your nutrition. Okay, guys? Last one, tracking everything. What do I mean? Have your, can I get that again? Sweat check, double. Jesus Christ, it's so hot in here.
So your sweat checks are like what, motivational things if somebody's looking for
Definitely
daily
motivational. Definitely motivational. I would say more so, and the reason why I spread it out through IG and stuff like that is because it keeps everyone accountable. That's my favorite part. It keeps everyone accountable, and I love when different people, especially the people I don't even know, tag me and I can share it, and I just love that we can spread the word out because we get more people involved, and that's what it's about, right? You don't know, and I say it all the time. Yes, I'm a fitness coach, and I influence people to do this and motivate people, awesome, but you can also do the same. You can also post a workout, you doing something, you tagging your friends, and your friends that are sitting on the couch, right, not doing the things that they should do, may watch you because you may be an inspiration to them, or they look up to you and say, oh, I'm gonna do that too. And it's just a cycle, it's an ending cycle of success. So just like I'm doing it, so can you, and let's go. All right, so last one, tracking everything. All right, what do I mean by that? With your phone, you can do it, and the only reason why I stay away from the phone is because if a text message pops by, well, hopefully if you have it on airplane mode, then we can solve that problem. But if not, have a notebook. I usually have my notebook with me, right? Pen, pencil, right? Go old school. Write down everything that you do. Write down all your exercises. Write down your weight. Write down your sets, right? Biggest thing to this is progressive overload if you're looking to get stronger, right? But unless you have an extremely great memory and you remember that you did 50 pounds of incline bench press, you did 45 pounds of shoulder press for 6 to 8 reps, and I rested 90 seconds, and I was successful to go back at it again, right? Unless you have that memory, then my suggestion is write everything down. It makes everything extremely easy, and that way you can see it day by day, week by week, how you're progressing, and you can actually see your results, see where you're lacking, see where you can adjust, see where you can make some changes. That way we keep moving forward. All right, guys? So these are 8 quick steps that you can follow, especially, like I said, if you're a beginner or even someone that has been working out and is looking for some type of guidance. That way we're not just wandering around, right, wasting time. Okay, guys? I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit me with a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, I gotta get ready for our next video. I'll catch you guys next time. Let's go.
Getting stuck as he feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water is